everyone, I'm Ishita Tripathi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're coming here for the very first time, welcome aboard. And if you're here for me for quite some time now, thank you so much. It means a lot that you're coming back again. Or if you are watching How to Not Become an Actor, where I talk about all the mistakes that I have made in my acting career so far. And this is episode number 10. Okay. Before we get into the episode, I want to give my personal opinion on episode number 9. You don't need an artist card to work in the industry. You don't need to pay to anyone before you get your work. In order to get work, you don't pay money. You get money because you've done some work and then you complete that work assignment and then you get paid just how it operates in any other job. Because there are different kind of people that you have to deal with in this industry. There are casting directors, there are coordinators, then there are some agencies also. So if you are signing a contract with an agency priorly, that whatever work you will do through them exclusively, then I don't know, I still don't understand and get this, that I don't think that they should be asking money from you. That okay, once you have done some work and they want to take commission from your work, then I feel that that's still justified. But paying somebody just so that you can get work, it doesn't make sense to me. I feel it's a complete scam. So don't fall for it, because I have till date never paid money to anyone so that I can get work. I have worked with coordinators and I have worked with agencies also. कि जब मुझे मेरा पेमेंट मिल जाता है तब उस पेमेंट में से I will pay you the commission जिसके बारे में हमने बात की थी before I got logged. तो वो जो हमारा एग्रीमेंट हुआ था, I will respect that. But I am not going to pay anyone so that I can get work. So yeah, that's about it. Now, if you're still confused why am I saying this, you'll have to go back, watch episode 9, then come back here and watch episode 10 of How to Not Become an Actor with all of us here together. Let's go! In today's episode of How to Not Become an Actor, be extremely skeptical of using social media. Be terrified of putting yourself out there, your work out there, have the fear of being judged, being harshly criticized, being misunderstood. And as in the earlier episodes we talked about performative pretense, so similarly, play very safe. As in, be the person others want you to be, so that, you know, you are a fragment of their imagination and you're not actually authentic to who you are and who you want to be. You know, there are pros and cons of everything. So always believe in the con side of it. कि okay, if I use social media, this will happen to me. ये तो मेरे साथ ही होगा, फिर मेरे साथ वो होगा, मेरे साथ ये होगा. And then go into a complete spiral. And then for many years, avoid social media. Also, if at all you ever use social media, don't use it to create or to express your own artistic sides. But use it to keep tabs on other artists' lives. Like, what are they doing, what project are they getting now, who's casting them, so on and so forth. And just keep focusing on their life more than your own. And then just feel bad about it all, that why did you use social media in the first place? Because in moderation, everything is fine. But if you use it for self-sabotaging, enjoy the downhill. And because you don't make the best use of social media, that also means that you must have an external locus of identity, because you have to do things for love, not from love. And in this process, completely forget that why did you even come here in the first place? Like, not to this video, but why did you want to become an actor or an artist in the first place? To share a piece of you with the world. No? Ironic? And when you keep continuing on this journey of self-sabotaging and not really showing up as who you want to be, you will not become an actor. So that was episode number 10 of How to Not Become an Actor. If you have any questions, comments, queries, or any compliments for my new haircut, do let me know in the comments below. I will get back to them as soon as I can. And take care until then.